Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about the remaining parts of There is a Girl by the track, which is written by Devan Kanal. Last period we have discussed about introductions of two characters. The first character, that is a Roma Talreja, and the second character, that is a Baleshwar Mishra. There are two major characters in our lesson. Lesson's name is that There is a Girl by the tracks. One incident was happened in the life of Roma Talreja. Baleshwar Mishra saved her life, and now here such an accident was happened beside the tracks, and so here Baleshwar Mishra saw such an accident, and he tried to help to that the Roma Talreja. And now here, when he saw such the Roma Talreja's condition, she became unconscious, she became senseless. So she needed first aid treatment, and so that's why Baleshwar Mishra lifted to that the girl Roma Talreja, and he tried to reach to that the nearby hospital, and so that's why he requested, implored to the motorist who drove by, but no one stopped. And so now he became hopeless. He had no any hope. Other motorists did not show the mercy, did not show the love, compassion towards to that the girl, even at that the situations, critical situations. The problem was there, and now here he was facing such the problem, Baleshwar Mishra, how to reach to that the nearby hospital. And now here we concentrate on the next part. Innumerable motorists drove by, some even slowing down to see the young man struggling to hold the blood-covered woman in his arms. Just when he had begun to lose hope, a tempo truck pulled over, and its driver, middle-aged man who spoke Gujarati, stepped out. The role of Baleshwar Mishra was very important here. He implored again and again. He requested to that the other motorists who drove by, and the innumerable motorists were there. Innumerable motorists drove by, some even slowing down to see the young man struggling to hold the blood-covered woman in his arms, and her condition was there. Blood was flowing from her head, and now here the young man, that is the Baleshwar Mishra, was struggling to hold that the blood-covered woman in his arm. It means that her situation was a serious situation, critical situation, and at that the critical situation, he came forward and he tried to help to our Roma Talreja. He requested to that motorist, but what happened? No one stopped. And suddenly what happened? He had begun to lose hope, means he became hopeless. And suddenly what happened? A tempo truck driver pulled over, and it's pulled over. That is a tempo truck driver. Who was a tempo truck driver? That is a middle-aged man who spoke Gujarati. Maybe Gujarati is his mother tongue, and so that's why he was speaking in a Gujarati. Such as the tempo truck driver, middle-aged man who spoke Gujarati, he stopped his motor, and he saw such a critical condition, and he also came forward and helped to Baleshwar Mishra. Means such a the tempo truck driver had a mercy, had a compassion, had a love like a Baleshwar Mishra. and he stopped his motor. And he helped to the Baleshwar Mishra to reach to that the nearby hospital. Because she needed the first aid treatment, and so that's why Baleshwar Mishra tried to reach to that the nearby hospital. Help me, help me, Baleshwar pleaded, and the man helped Baleshwar lay Roma down in the back of his truck. Baleshwar was quickly telling the driver what had happened when a traffic policeman arrived. Take the girl to Aravali, suggested the cop. There is a hospital there, but Baleshwar disagreed. Aravali was at least 10 kilometers away from the spot. You try to understand this. And now he requested to that the motorist again and again, help me, help me, help me. And here the man helped Baleshwar. Middle-aged man, that is a Gujarati who spoke Gujarati. Tempo truck driver stopped his tempo or motor, and he put to that Roma Talreja in the back of his truck. Baleshwar Mishra was quickly telling the driver what had happened. He told everything, Baleshwar Mishra told everything to that our tempo truck driver, what had happened in the life of Roma Talreja. And suddenly what happened, one traffic policeman arrived there, and he also tried to give more information about that hospital. Here he said, traffic policeman said to that the Baleshwar Mishra, take the girl to Aravali. He also, the traffic policeman saw such a condition of that the Roma Talreja, and he told to the Baleshwar Mishra to take the girl to Aravali. Aravali is the name of the place. And according to a traffic policeman, hospital was there. Hospital was in Aravali. And he told to that the Baleshwar Mishra. He suggested a cop means that is a policeman, traffic policeman. There is a hospital there. There is a hospital there. Where is the hospital there? Yes, that is Aravali. He told such a information. He had such a passion. He had such a love. He had such a love. Our policeman also. But Baleshwar disagreed. Why? He suggested, the cop or the traffic policeman suggested to Baleshwar Mishra, hospital was there. There means Aravali. But what happened? Baleshwar disagreed to that the suggestion. Why? Because the reason is given. Aravali was at least 10 kilometers away from that the spot. Long distance. Why? Because her condition was horrible, and so that's why he knew that Baleshwar Mishra knew that as quick as she needed first aid treatment. And so that's why he was totally disagreed with his opinion, with his suggestion. That is a cop's suggestion. And now here we concentrate on the next. There is a closer place I know, said the Baleshwar. 10 minutes later they arrived at a hospital, small hospital, where the nurses helped take the young woman in. But as the facility lacked personnel and equipment, on-duty physician wasn't able to do more than give a basic first aid. He advised that she be moved to a nearby hospital. And then he told, what was the reply? A reply of Baleshwar Mishra was there about that the hospital, about the nearby place. He said that there is a closer place I know. Who said whom? Baleshwar Mishra said to traffic policeman. This line is very important for RC, reference to context, so that's why you should study about that the line. They will ask 3 questions on it, and it is a very important for the RC. There is a closer place I know of, said the Baleshwar. 10 minutes later, 10 minutes later, they arrived at a small hospital, and after 10 minutes, Baleshwar Mishra and the tempo truck driver arrived at a small hospital. They reached to that the small hospital where nurses help take the woman, young woman, that is our Roma Talreja in. Means they admitted, Baleshwar Mishra and tempo truck driver admitted to that the girl with the help of that the nurse in that the hospital. But as the facility lacked personnel and equipment, but what happened, the hospital was a small hospital, and in that the small hospital, there were no any staffs or the personnel, or there no more that is the staff or doctors or nurses or other facilities were there. Why? Because the hospital was a small hospital, and so there were no any medical facilities. But as the facilities lacked personnel and equipment, the on-duty physician means that is a doctor, on-duty doctor or on-duty physician wasn't able to do more than give a basic first aid. And here only he or on-duty physician or the on-duty doctor gave only first aid treatment. He did not give other treatment. Only he gave that is a first aid treatment, that is a basic treatment he had given. Why? Because there were no any facilities, medical facilities. There were no any medical facilities, and so here. Then here he advised that on-duty physician advised that she be moved to a nearby hospital, and he suggested, that is our doctor, on-duty doctor suggested to Baleshwar Mishra to take or to admit to that the girl to that the nearby hospital. According to him, according to the doctor, she needed a good treatment, and so that's why he suggested to Baleshwar Mishra to admit to that the another hospital. And now here we turn to the next paragraph. Baleshwar and driver had no choice but to move her back into the truck. When the vehicle lurched forward, Roma stared and her eyes fluttered open. "What's your name? What's your name?" asked Baleshwar, who was within the back of his the truck. What was the reply? Reply of that is Roma. Roma, she managed to grind out. "Whom can I call?" he asked quickly, fearing that she would black out once again. She said that, "My brother Dinesh," she said, slowly giving him Dinesh's cell phone number. Baleshwar memorized it and watched as Roma's eyes soon lost focus and rolled back into the darkness. Then he suggested, that is the doctor suggested to the Baleshwar Mishra to take to the girl nearby hospital. Yes, then the Baleshwar Mishra and tempo truck driver had no choice, had no any option but to move her back into the truck. When her vehicle lurched, they had no any option, and so that's why they were trying to admit to that the another hospital, and so that's why they took the motor or truck. When the vehicle lurched forward, lurch means that is a moved unsteadily. लर्च म्हणजे असं खड्ड्यात कुठेतरी असं, कारण रस्ता काय असं प्लेन नाही आहेत, खड्डे असावेत, आणि त्या व्हेकलची मोटर आहे, ट्रक आहे, ती ट्रक ज्यावेळेला असे खड्ड्यातून बहुतेक जाते आहे, अनस्टेडीली, सरळ नाही आहे, अनस्टेडीली. When the vehicle lurched forward, Roma steered. Roma, that is the steed. Roma steered and her eyes fluttered open. Eyes fluttered the open, and the Roma steed. Steed means move. Steed move means that is the move. आणि मग ज्यावेळेला ती ट्रक त्या खड्ड्यात जाते किंवा असं कुठे खडकाळ असं काहीतरी आहे आणि प्लेन नाही आहे, रस्ता काही प्लेन नाही आहे, त्याच वेळेला तिला जाग येते. Roma steed and her eyes fluttered open. Already one word given is a here, that is a flutter. Flutter means open slightly. Her eyes open slightly. When he saw, because why? Because he was with her. Baleshwar Mishra was with her. He observed everything. And suddenly what happened? When she opened her eyes slightly, he asked one question. Baleshwar Mishra asked one question. What's your name? Why he asked such a question to that Roma Talreja? Because both were unknown to each other, both were stranger to each other, and so that's why at first he asked such a question. Question is that, what's your name? Who said whom? Baleshwar Mishra said to Roma Talreja. What's your name? Say, ask Baleshwar, who was with her in the back of his the truck here. He was with him, with her. He was with her. That is our Roma Talreja. The back of his or in the back of the truck. Yes, both were there. And so that he asked, what was the reply of Roma Talreja at that condition, horrible condition? Roma. She said that Roma. She managed to grind out. She managed to grind out. The one word is given here. It is a phrasal verb which is mentioned in it. What is the meaning of phrasal verb which is mentioned in it? That is a grind out means to say something with some effort. To say something with some effort. काहीतरी प्रयत्न बोलायचा प्रयत्न ती करते. Her condition was very horrible, serious condition, and so that's why. Then the year, whom can I call? Who said? Our Baleshwar Mishra said like that. Whom can I call? कोणाला फोन करायचं का? तुझी सगळी माहिती त्यांना सांगायला पाहिजे. Whom can I call? He asked such a question quickly, fearing that he was fearing that she would black out once more. Black out. It is also phrasal verb which is mentioned in it. What is the meaning of phrasal verb? That is black out. Is already given here. To become unconscious. To become unconscious. Blackout means to become unconscious. Such a phrasal verb which is mentioned in it. And so that she was fearing that she would black out. What is the reply, or what was the reply of Roma Talreja? Now we are going to see. My brother Dinesh, when he asked such a question, whom can I call? Yes, whom can I call? What is the reply, or what was the reply of that is Roma Talreja? Yes, my brother Dinesh. She said, slowly giving him Dinesh's cell's phone number. And she had given Dinesh Talreja means brother. Who was Dinesh? Dinesh Talreja was her brother, and she had given Dinesh Talreja's phone number to Baleshwar Mishra. At that time, Baleshwar Mishra had no any pain or other, nothing. And now here, she had given such the phone number orally. Tondi dilila hai. Orally, yes, she had given such a phone number, and he memorized. Who? Baleshwar memorized. It means that maybe he was very brilliant, very intelligent. Why? Because he memorized as it is the phone number of Dinesh Talreja, which was given by Roma Talreja. Baleshwar memorized it. It means Dinesh Talreja's phone number. Baleshwar Mishra memorized it and watched as Roma's eyes soon lost focus and rolled back into the darkness. She rolled back into the darkness. Again she became a blackout. She became blackout. She became unconscious. Again she became unconscious. And so here, Chacha, can I borrow your mobile? Chacha, can I borrow your mobile? Baleshwar asked, and the driver passed him his phone. And here Baleshwar Mishra had no any phone, no any mobile, no any other instrument. And so here he said, or he demanded such the mobile from that is our Chacha. Who was a Chacha? Tempo truck driver. Who was a Chacha? The last one question on it. Who was a Chacha? Chacha was there is a tempo truck driver. Chacha, can I borrow your mobile? Who said whom? Baleshwar Mishra said to tempo truck driver who spoke Gujarati. Chacha, can I borrow your mobile? Baleshwar asked. And Chacha had a mobile and he passed such the mobile to that our Baleshwar Mishra. Dinesh Talreja was wrapping up his day at the marketing job at the retail outlet in Ulhasnagar. When his phone rang from a number he didn't recognize. And now here, who was a Talreja? What was the work of a Talreja? What was the duty of a Talreja? That is the Dinesh Talreja, which is mentioned in it. Dinesh Talreja was wrapping up his day at the marketing job. His job was that is a marketing job at a retail outlet. Outlet means that is a retail shop. Outlet means that is a shop. Wholesale and retail. Wholesaler and the retailer. And now here his job was like that marketing job. And here he was working at a retail outlet in a Ulhasnagar. He was working, that is a retail outlet or retail shop at in a Ulhasnagar. Where is Ulhasnagar? In Mumbai. Where is Ulhasnagar? In Mumbai. He was working there as a marketing. When his phone is rang from a number, he didn't recognize. And Baleshwar Mishra didn't. Dinesh Talreja didn't recognize the number of the tempo truck driver. Dinesh bhai, he phoned who? Baleshwar Mishra phoned to. He called to the Dinesh Talreja and he wanted to give all informations about the sister of Dinesh Talreja, and so that's why he called to our Dinesh Talreja. Dinesh bhai, he was a respected man. You see that. Respective. You see that he had such good qualities. Yes, tempo driver he called Chacha. That the girl he called, that is a Bahan ji, aap theek hai. Now also the Dinesh Talreja he called, yes, he said that, yes, Dinesh bhai the word. He was the good person. He had such a good manners. Dinesh bhai, young voice, yes, young voice asks, that is Baleshwar Mishra. Your sister, he wanted to give information to that through the phone, through the mobile to that Baleshwar, that is Dinesh Talreja. Your sister Roma has fallen off a train. Your sister Roma has fallen off a train. We are taking to Divine Hospital in Ghansoli. And he told to the Dinesh Talreja, and she was now admitted at that hospital. Hospital's name is that Divine Hospital in Ghansoli. Divine Hospital in Ghansoli is the name of the hospital. Now here both they means the Baleshwar Mishra and tempo truck driver admitted to that the hospital. Which hospital? Divine Hospital in Ghansoli. Divine Hospital in Ghansoli. I'm on the way, said the Dinesh, rushing towards his motorcycle, and he said that, yes, I will come as quick as, means I am on my way, said the Dinesh, and he was rushing towards his motorcycle. And now we concentrate on the questions answer. Check your understanding. Comprehension, it is a part of comprehension. Now we are going to study. Question number 1. Who volunteered to help Baleshwar? Who volunteered help to Baleshwar? Who volunteered? Tempo truck driver who spoke Gujarati. Number 2. Roma stood and her eyes fluttered open. Roma stood and her eyes fluttered open. What could have made her react so? And here now already we know that, yes, here he told everything. Or that is a fluttered open means the vehicle lurched forward. What had happened? So that's why her eyes were open. Her eyes were open or fluttered open. Yes, when the vehicle lurched forward, automatically the Roma stood and her eyes fluttered open. Now we turn to the question number 3. Some details of a Roma's brother are given in paragraph number 14. Read and fill in the columns appropriately. And such information is given here about Dinesh Talreja. Who was Dinesh Talreja? Name, what was the name of Dinesh Talreja, or that the brother, like that. Job or place or vehicle, everything is mentioned here. Name, that is our Dinesh Talreja. Job, retail marketing or marketing job at a retail outlet at Ulhasnagar. Place, already we know the Ulhasnagar. Vehicle, that is a motorcycle. Everything which is mentioned in it, and we will see the next part in a next period. Thank you very much.